So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to customize your desktop to make it look nice and clean. So let's start. So as per mentioned in the introduction, the first step is to customize the taskbar. As you can see, the Windows provides default options of big icons, so we have to just minimize them and arrange them in the middle. To do that, we have to go to taskbar settings, right click and taskbar settings. Then we have to choose use small taskbar icons and click on. After that, small icons can be displayed and the search icon will be minimized. Then we have to again right click on the toolbar and select toolbars, then links here. So the links option has appeared. Now we have to just drag it from here till the end. The maximum icons will be 2 icons. You have to make sure that it is showing only 2 icons, otherwise it will not work. Then we have to choose the first bend icon and just click in here. So our icons are arranged in the middle. Then how to remove this links text? To do that, we have to right click on the toolbar and we have to right click on the left hand side of our toolbar. Then we have to click on show title and deselect it. We have to do the same for the text option, and then finally we have to lock the taskbar. So the first step is done. The taskbar icons are arranged in the middle. Next step is to change the background. I have my background already installed in it, so I will just go to there, and my file name is this one. I don't know, the file names are just messed up. So here the background is applied. Next we have to click on view and show desktop icons. We have to not show any of the desktop icons here. Then we have to go to Google Chrome. This is the Rainmeter skins, but first we have to download the Rainmeter. So I will go to rainmeter.com. The first net will come www.rainmeter.net. We have to click on that and download the latest version. The latest version is 4.5.7 release. This released on December 9. So I will download it. So my file is downloaded. My file is here. I will open it. Then we have to click on the standard installation. It is recommended. Then you can just click on install. Don't unselect any of the icons. It will ask for the permission. Then we have to select on yes. After it is done, Rainmeter is installed in your computer. Then I will unselect the Rainmeter option and click on finish. I have already downloaded my Rainmeter, that's why I will just open it. My fonts are applied, so just for you I am deleting all these fonts and I am doing it again. So I will go to documents and click on skins, gradient, vector, delete. I have to exit it, sorry. Then as you can see here, the emitter is not launched. I will launch it again. it is taking some time. So after we have installed Rainmeter, we have to double click on the Rainmeter icon, and here we can see two of one is slow. I don't know the actual pronunciation, please correct me if I am wrong. Then if you load it, they will show welcome to Rainmeter. You have to download it. I don't need that. Now if we just load this clock INI, the classic one is just means I can't believe it, it is just as bold as this. So I will just download it. Now we have to go to Rainmeter skins. It is visualskins.com. From here you can search it. I will search for Vecto. I can write Vec. It is showing Vecto, but I have to go to Vecto. It is not found here. I think they are not giving it. Themes, we can go to there. Here all the skins are there. You can choose any one of them and apply it, but I will go for Vecto. I like the most Vecto Rainmeter. So I will click on the Windows customization. Then we have to download it. Rewrite it to Variant.art. It is the Anand skin. You can just log in up here. Now I will open my desktop folder, and here you can see Vecto by AppNXMC. Then we have to click on the skin installer option. So as soon as we open it, it will just ask you to choose the option. So I will go to desktop option and my Vecto app 6. So the options is selected also. We'll just click on install. After my Vecto is installed, I will just do it here, and I will just change this here, but I want to download some of the skins, so I'll unload this. You can choose your enter weather code here. Let me find my weather code. I think my location is not here, so I will just remove it. I don't need the temperature one. Then we have to choose our media player. I mostly use my Windows media player, so I'll click on the and close the settings. I will choose for 24-hour clock and close it. Then it is a big dangling piece of the art, so I will just right click it and click on edit scale. So the scale is 1.5. you can just scale it as per your like. I will go for 0.5. Then I will click on save. Then we have to refresh our screen. So it is being refreshed. This is you listening, means you can just hear a song and the song name will play here. Next is my visualizer. I think I've already downloaded it, so I'll click open it and go to quick access. So it is the Radeon visualizer. I will show you the installation process. So let me just open that. In the same side we have to go to visualizer, and all this will come. My one is not here, so I will just search it. It is not here, I think so. Same. The site has been uploaded, that's why I think it is not giving it. Now I'll just go for Google search. So here is the skins, RadiantMetaSkins.com, Radiant Linear Meta Visualizer. So I click on it and we have to download it. I think it is a very nice skin. Then we have to open our down here and we have to extract it. I think mine is already extracted, so I'll just cut it from here to my desktop folder, and then again we have to click on Skin Installer and Radiant Linear Visualizer and click on open. So Spotify plugin, I don't want to just add that, so I will just click on install. I will recommend not to click that because they will just particularly do that. So you can see this is a big dangling the piece of art and means the visualizer. So I'll just apply it. This means I can't just say what is this thing. Then I have to click on hide progress bar, hide dynamic bar, hide track background, apply. You can just click on the progress bar. So the progress bar will be applied here. I will just minus it. This I think a bit too small. I will just increase my to 0.3. I think that's perfect. No, it is a little bit big, so I will just do for 2.5, 0.25. Okay. And if you have to do anything, you can do that. Dual visualizer means they will add another visualizer. I don't want that. Then if you want the sensitivity, it is 35. Then we have to go for smoothing. I will go for 9. Now I will just change the settings from drag and drop here. I will just close this, close settings. This visualizer is a bit problematic because it doesn't scroll easily as the other one. Wait, just let me do that. First we have to go to Radiant Linear Visualizer. Then on the main part we have to click on the normal desktop position. It is being normal, we have to click on desktop. Next is already same, so I'll just click on here 418. okay, I will go for 420 and 50. No, I think 600 might be the answer. No, 690. No, how much? I will go for 690. This is a bit problematic, as I said, doesn't scroll easily. I'll go for let's see, 50. No, 600. It is okay. Then I will just delete. And 560. Where is the head? 560 is much more. 50. No. Then for 15. Yeah, it is now okay. Then I'll refresh it. After refreshing, you can drag and drop it. I will just align this here. The main reason I have just closed the track information because they are only given the option for Spotify and not the Windows Media Player. So let me launch the NCS one so you can hear it and see how the linear behaves. So I will go for this one. So the linear visualizer works perfectly. Let me just close it and play another music. So Lost Sky, I love that song. You can just open settings and change the smoothing. If you open the settings, it will lag. Sorry. So the linear works perfectly. And the track is given here. So I'll just close it. I think this texture screen is much better than the previous one. So I hope you can enjoy this video and please like, share and subscribe to this channel as it helps me a lot. So this is Hatik Basu signing off here. Thank you.